Good morning children, welcome to today's session. I am Kalpana, working as DL Zoology in COE, GV. In today's session we are going to learn about the soluble mediators of the immune system or immunity. It consists of three types and these are complement proteins, cytokines as well as antibodies. Coming to the complement proteins, these are the inactive plasma proteins which are present in the cell surface and these are acting in two ways. And the first one is these are forming membrane attack complex which is a protein molecule which is forming pores in the cell so that the extracellular fluid is entering into the cell. So it becomes cell. After that it is going to be burst. And second way is it is forming a coat on the infected cells and it attracts the macrophages for the process of phagocytosis so that the infected cells are destroyed. And the complement proteins along with its activities is known as complement system. Coming to the second type, cytokines. These are the soluble proteins which are produced by the T helper cells or infected cells and these bind to the infected cell receptors so that the phagocytosis or lysis of the infected cell occur. And coming cytokines are of two types, interleukins and interferons, and the interleukins are the proteins which are produced by the leukocytes, whereas the interferons are the antiviral proteins which are released by virus infected cells. So that by producing interferons it is going to protect the neighboring cells. And the interferons are of three types, alpha interferon, beta and gamma interferons. And coming to the antibodies children, third one is the antibodies. Antibodies are produced by the B lymphocytes whenever pathogen enters into our body, and antibodies are of two types, circulating which are present in the body fluids, whereas the surface antibodies which are present on the membrane of the B cells. And these antibodies are highly specific. That means particular antibody has the capacity to react with specific antigen only. And the site or the place with which antibody is binding to the antigen is known as paratope, or it is also known as antigen binding site. And coming to the children, look at this picture. And the structure of the antibody is proposed by Rodney Porter and it is a Y-shaped molecule. It consists of two types of chains. Two are heavy chains which are identical in nature and two are light chains which are also identical. Hence it can be represented as H2L2 and these two chains are in turn bound by disulfide bonds. And coming to the types of the immunoglobulins are antibodies. There are 5 types of immunoglobulins are antibodies. Out of them, IgA immunoglobulin or antibody is a dimeric molecule, whereas IgM is the pentameric, and IgD, IgE and IgG molecules are the monomeric molecules. And coming to the antigens children, any polysaccharides or protein molecule or lipoprotein or nucleic acid or nucleoprotein which has the capacity to evoke a detectable immunoresponse can be termed as antigen. These antigens can be detected by B cells or T cells. T cells has the capacity to detect an antigen whenever it is represented by antigen presenting cells or altered cells. Antigens are also of two types, free antigens which are present in the fluids, whereas the membrane antigens, example for the membrane antigens, best example is blood group. And coming to the processing and presentation of antigen, whenever an antigen is entering into our body, it is broken down into pieces by the lysozyme enzyme which is present in the cells, and these pieces are known as antigenic determinants, or these are also known as epitopes. Coming to the presentation, these epitopes are presented by the MHC molecule, major histocompatibility molecules, are human leukocyte antigens which are termed in human beings. Coming to MHC molecules, these are of two types, class 1 and class 2. Coming to class 1, these are present in all nucleated cells, and these present the antigen to cytotoxic T cells which is helpful in cell mediated immunity. And coming to the class 2 MHC, these are present on all APCs, antigen presenting cells as well as lymphocytes, apart from class 1 MHCs, and these present the antigen to T helper cells which helps in cell mediated immunity as well as humoral immunity. Thank you children.